Hootsuite's Create and Plan features help you design faster, schedule smarter, and keep all your content in one place. And when you need a little help, whether you're starting from scratch, workshopping your copy, or optimizing your content, Ally GPT Assistant is right there from the very first draft. Start and Create, your main space to build and edit content. Choose where you want to publish and add a caption. You can select multiple networks and tailor the message to each one. The Ally GPT Assistant is always there to help you refine your copy. Next, add content from your computer, the media library, or design it in Canva or Adobe Express without leaving Hootsuite. Running into writer's block? Ask Ally GPT to brainstorm post ideas or generate a caption for you. Ally GPT will analyze your image and suggest the perfect caption. Tweak it yourself, or Ally GPT can help you refine it further by suggesting the best hashtags for reach, fixing grammar, and more. Want to track how your links are performing? Add tracking parameters, then shorten them with Ally. Don't forget to add accessibility options to your content. Add alt text on your images, or let us suggest some for you. And add subtitles to your videos by uploading an SRT file. Before you publish, consider approvals, promotions, and tagging. Depending on your plan type, you can assign team members to approve your posts. Maximize eyes on your posts by boosting them, and add tags for easy tracking. Now you're ready to publish your post or schedule it for later. Pick a time, or use a recommended time based on what's worked for you in the past. Now head over to Plan to see all of your scheduled, published, and drafted posts. Flip through to see the weeks ahead, and play around to find your preferred view. You can filter your calendar by things like social accounts or post status. Click a post to take a closer look at it, duplicate it, or make changes. Need to give your team some context on a post? Add an internal comment and tag them. Organize your scheduled posts or create new ones. And let our AI tools create posts based on events and holidays. Once your calendar is filled out, export it for that special senior leader who keeps asking you when your next post will go viral.